Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys one of the easiest and delicious cookie recipe. This is condensed milk coconut cookie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. To start off, here I have 60 grams of soft butter. It goes in the bowl. 1/3 of a cup condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk. Go ahead and mix them well until it's smooth and creamy in texture. It will take a couple seconds. And then once it is nice and creamy, we are going to add 1 cup of desiccated unsweetened coconut. If you can't find desiccated coconut, you can actually take the coconut chip and blend it in the food processor for a couple seconds. Then you'll have this coarse texture coconut. Go ahead and mix it well until it's all well incorporated. To this, I'm going to add 60 grams of all-purpose flour. Add them in batches. Even though it is a small batch, just we want to make sure there is no lumps. Mix them well until there is no more lumps and everything is well incorporated. You will find the dough to be very sticky and soft. That's how the dough should be. Go ahead and mix it with a spatula to make sure there is no flour is left behind. Cover it and rest it for 1 to 2 hours. When you're ready, I have 1 cup of desiccated coconut, again unsweetened. The dough is nice and firm. Scoop 1 tablespoon size of a dough. Shape into a nice small ball, and then you're going to just press it down gently in between your palm with your fingers into a disc shape. This is around 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thickness. Then I'm going to start coating them both the side generously and shake off any excess coconut. Now place this on a cookie sheet. Make sure you have some space between each cookies so that when they bake, it has enough space to expand. Now go and bake this for 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And now once it is nice and brown, remove it and let it cool down for 3 minutes on the cookie sheet, and then transfer into a cooling rack and completely cool it down before you put them in an airtight container or store them. This is super delicious, super easy and super crispy. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.